$500 per day with TikTok affiliate marketing. Now in 2025, lots of people were talking about TikTok, but what no one is telling you is how to exactly put it into action so you can start having results. You see, when it comes to TikTok, now is the right opportunity. Why? Because it's at the bottom. You know, like for example, Amazon 10 years ago, Facebook 10 years ago, even Bitcoin 10 years ago, right? It's at the beginning stage. So it means that compliance is low. It means that you can promote different weight loss supplements, Nutra. You can say what you want. Okay, again, I'm always telling people promote high quality products so you can actually help people, right? But the great thing about TikTok is that the compliance level is really low. So yes, you can do before and after pictures. You can say different things that you cannot say on YouTube or Google, right? When you're running ads. Now, how much money you have to spend and how much time you have to invest. For example, what I'm personally doing, and I'm always sharing on my YouTube channel and my Instagram, is start very low. For example, $5 to $15 per day for one campaign. Now, my strategy in 2025 is this. You don't need to show your face, okay? You don't have to be on camera. And second of all, you don't have to make tons of videos every single day. I have 1 video to 2 videos per week, and I'm just repurposing them, okay? And I'm not making those videos myself. So once we work together, you will be able to see exactly how this works. But why TikTok is very different is because people are already there to buy. Look at TikTok shop affiliates, people on TikTok selling live stream. It's happening in China, in Asia, US, Canada. Yes, in USA, TikTok is now back. And if you're wondering about what's happening about TikTok in USA, it's back. Okay, it's time on. It's meaning you have a chance, you have the opportunity to once for all become really great at marketing on TikTok and having someone to help you step by step, hand holding you along the way, one-on-one. Okay, over the Zoom call. This is the best thing because in 5 to 6 days, you can be up and running. It means you don't have to waste a lot of time. You only need 20 to 30 minutes per day if you're really serious, right? To start making money online with affiliate marketing using TikTok, which is really great because people are already in the high emotional state. They're already they have the buyer's intent. You see, when it comes to any affiliate marketing, CPA affiliate marketing, promoting different products, auto insurance, hobby, weight loss, dating and relationships, whatever, right? Personal development, manifestation niche, it always comes to buyer's intent. The great thing and why some people are losing money when they're buying $3,000, $4,000 courses is because no guru ever teach them the right strategy or show them exactly how it works, which is this. You see, the most important thing is understanding who is your audience and the deeper layers of psychology, okay, and marketing, which means that we have low emotional states and high emotional states audience, females, males. So our copy, UGC videos are going to be different. Now, again, videos can be from 15 seconds to 1 minute long. Okay, the best working are 15 to 30 second max. And again, it's faceless. You don't have to do it by yourself, okay? We have a team helping you succeed to scale up with TikTok affiliate marketing. But only if you're serious. If you really want to make money in 2025, I always share with you. Look, I'm always sharing my lifestyle when I travel all around the world to over 60 countries. And the reason why is not to brag, but to show you what is possible once you become super affiliate, once you have someone who can help you along the way, okay? To start actually having results without having to be stressed and worried. Because look, there are people making money online every single day. You don't have to quit your job. If your goal is, yes, later on you can, but you don't have to do that in order to make money with TikTok affiliate marketing and ClickBank. No. Again, if you don't know what ClickBank is, it's free affiliate network where you can promote different products online. So as you watch this video, if you want to get results with TikTok affiliate marketing, connect with me one-on-one, okay? The links to my WhatsApp number, my Instagram, my Facebook Messenger, and email is all under the description of this video. So see you on the other side.